This is split pea soup. It's warm, it's homey, and best of all, filling on a cold winter's day. This soup is so simple that everyone should be able to make it, and here's how to do it. What you're going to need is 2 carrots, a leek, 2 stalks of celery, and a bag of split peas. Full measurements are on my website, thecultureofcookery.com. Link is in the description. Now, peeling is not super necessary, but I like to do it. What happens if you don't? Well, if you blend it up like I did, nothing actually, so peel at your own preference. After everything is chopped up nicely, you're going to want to saute it with some rosemary and garlic and olive oil and let everything get to know each other. Now, the hero of the soup, in my opinion, has to be the smoked ham hock. Ham hock is the pork knuckle which attaches to the feet and is the perfect ingredient to add a smoky, salty, hammy background flavor to your soup. If you're going to skimp on anything in the recipe, please make sure that it's not this piece of porky goodness. Once everything is sauteed and softened, add your split peas, your ham hock, and add enough water to barely cover the ham hock. Now, you can add a couple of teaspoons of bouillon, chicken bouillon or veggie bouillon, whatever, and you can just forgo the water. This time around, I used beef because it's all I had in the fridge. If I had chicken stock itself, I probably would have used that, but you're really wanting just some kind of flavorful liquid in your soup. Once everything is mixed up, put a cover on it, bring it to a boil, and then turn it down to a simmer and wait for about an hour, or as long as your hungry stomach will allow you. Then you're going to fish out this ham hock and you're going to de-skin this bad boy and release the meat from the bone. Now, if you did this properly, the meat should release with a gentle tug, and if not, you might want to throw it back in for an hour or so. If you don't really care, then just get aggressive with your knife. I like the chunks of ham to be nice and big because I want to see the pieces of ham in there. If you fancy tiny pieces or no pieces at all, you do you. Now this next step is totally up to you. You can blend your split pea soup in slow-mo, or you cannot. This blending will obviously result in a smoother, creamier overall texture, but if you like your chunks, again, you do you. Then you're gonna add your pieces of ham back to the pot, stir them together, and then plate it up. I like to garnish with something green because it, well, makes it look more fancy. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more culture of cookery, watch this next video. And if you really dislike this content, make sure to hit that dislike button twice.